Aquarius, my air babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, and abundance and prosperity all your way. Bad health is big business. I'm here to put them out of business. Head swelling, PTSD, stroke, anxiety, depression, head swelling, mental illness is at an all-time high, plaguing us at the age of an all-time low. I'm here to heal that with my Fountain of Youth technique. But before that, your word of the day is the divine light. You are the lighthouse. You show everyone that the impossible is possible. Are you ready for another round around the world and adventure? Because there's so many people, so many different cultures, so many students, so many beings of light that need you to cut their light on. They need your intellect, and they also want to share something with you that you are the only one, just like air. You can't tell where to go, where to flow, but it's always around, and it gets to where it needs to be to share the new message. I am the expression of love. I shine like the sun. Yes, you do. And just like a lighthouse, when those are lost, we follow that lighthouse and we find our way home to safety. My inner light is my strength and my treasure and your gifts. Embrace your gifts and watch how it shows and gives you a lane to breakthrough and great experiences and freedom. My intuition guides me to discover the wonder and goodness of who I am, which you are great, amazing. I need you. The entire world needs you to be at your best, and make sure you don't dim your light, because you are the light. You are the lighthouse. You are the torch that we are following, that we're trying to find, because you have all the answers. And you're not selfish. You're willing to give the answers. You're willing to show the love. And that's why we love you. And that's why you're Aquarius, because this is your duty. This is your service. And we love you for that. Love one another. Be kind to one another. And please like, share, comment, subscribe. This page has been a blessing to you. I love you.